Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Alright, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell for your girl, alright? You guys are about to watch us make Sunday dinner. So come on, let's get into it.
When do I stop recording, Daddy?
Just keep watching, we'll season it.
Oh, my hands are tired so bad.
Alright, press stop.
What happened?
Nah.
It's cold.
Nah, it's not.
It's cold outside, I know.
It ain't cold.
Yeah, put on the jacket. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to start on the rice and peas. My husband is getting the grill ready, and then we're gonna cook some green beans and corn. That's our favorite. Alright, so the fire is going. Let's go take a look at it. It's cold out here. Big things be coming out of that little girl. Alright, I'm sorry y'all, I kind of lied. We're not going to be making green beans and corn. It's going to be cabbage and plantains. Alright y'all, so the water is boiling. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna make the cabbage and carrots. Alright, so I have sliced the carrots. The rice is done. Alright you guys, so the cabbage is cut. Carrots are ready. I'm just waiting on the butter and the sugar to melt and the chicken bouillon to all come together, and we're gonna put everything in this pot. Alright y'all, so let's do a taste test of the rice and peas and the cabbage. I'm gonna taste the cabbage one more time. It's hot. I'm tired, y'all. I'm ready for bed. It's like, it's cooked well enough for it to still have that crunch, but still be soft. Really good. I need a little bit more. I need to put some red pepper flakes in it, and it's almost ready. Alright y'all, so since I'm falling asleep here, standing up falling asleep, I'm about to put these in the oven. I'm not gonna fry them. They're gonna go in the oven. And when the chicken is done, The plantains will be done. Alright, y'all. So last night I fell asleep before I could eat. So I'm having dinner. I'm having dinner for breakfast right now. You can't be fresh out the pot, but I was done. And I woke up, it wasn't no more cabbage. The plantains was about to be gone. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna hold up too much of your time no more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.